Welcome back to block number 8 of our Rooted Block of the Month program. This month we're going to be stitching the baobab tree. Let's take a look at what is in your kit this month. The background piece of wool is this really pretty stripe. You're going to use this dark chocolate texture. You've got a piece of, I think that's Amazon green. You've got a cloud. You've also got a piece of avocado green and this really pretty lavender. You also will have 3 cotton overlay background pieces in your kit. Let's take a look at the wool threads that you're going to be using this month. Here we have the Amazon green. We have the avocado. We have the cloud. We have this chocolate. And we have this really pretty lavender. Let's take a look at your embellishing threads. So this month you're going to be stitching with these threads. We have got Snow Globe, which is EZ06, So Cocoa, EZM01, Under a Tree, EZM72, Squirrel Tail, EZM96, Mediterranean Magic, which is EZM104, and Couch Potato, which is EZM108. By the way, you can get all of these colors on my website if you would like to try them out. And last but not least, you will be using Desert Sands, House of Embroidery, Pearl Cotton number 8, and Maple 65A. And this is a number 8. You used this last month, so you're going to use it again in this block. I will see you next month. We're going to be on block number 9 next month. It'll be the last block before the borders.